right, for the currently suspended police minister Senzo Mchunu and alleged crime boss Vusiket Matlala. A shadowy figure from the past. When Mkhwana's claim surfaced, media and political analysts immediately looked at Mokgosi's background. This is where his past as a CR17 campaigner became a major point of discussion. The allegation of a dangerous alliance. The core of the allegation is not that Ramaphosa is currently in communication with Mokgosi. That is well established. But the Mokgosi's alleged involvement as a code between, or as a link between those who serve in the Ramaphosa's executive